Hey folks, thanks for sticking around. I'm Matt Uby here at St.Albert Dodge. Check it out, Velvet Red Pearl, Grand Jeep Cherokee SRT High Performance Package. This thing is a beauty. You gotta love the Velvet Red Pearl with the chrome accents in the black. Nice all over interior, exterior. And get your camera down there for your adaptive cruise control. And underneath the hood of this beauty, you got a 6.4 liter Hemi V8, 475 pounds of horsepower, 470 pounds of torque. She'll get you in trouble. Over here on the side, color match mirrors. We got our 20-inch, our forged aluminum polished chrome wheels. Forged. I said I was going to pull that up, but I think I might have. Down here, you got a black accents all the way around. And also, this thing comes with the tow package, backup sensors. Love the SRT badging in the back. Look at those exhausts, ready to go, ready to roar. Let's check out the inside. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around. You'll be here in this beautiful, and I mean beautiful, 2016 Grand Jeep Cherokee SRT. Right from the center of the cockpit to the main driver's seat, it is unbelievable and stunning. Very well maintained by the previous owner. This thing comes with our high performance stereo, Harman Kardon stereo system. Over here we got our standard features on the door, plus seat modes. Got your paddles back here on the steering wheel, and your launch mode, and your gear shifting paddles. Yeah, that's right. This thing comes with launch mode. You want to go fast, this thing will get you there. Don't get caught. Also comes with adaptive cruise control. All your controls for your Bluetooth over here. Your info screen controls are right here. And right down here we can see the launch mode. Lots of storage in this beauty. 2-tier storage. Comes with a DVD player for entertainment in the back for the kids. More storage down here, charging ports. And here's the sound surround. We got our controls, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Yeah, folks, this thing has it all. And look way up, we got that panoramic sunroof. If you like what you see, folks, don't be afraid to give us a shout. This thing won't last long. I'm Uby here at St.Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822, my personal phone number. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.